Antonello Multispectral Imaging System. Registration app. We have a folder images containing the 18 multispectral images. These images are not registered, as we can see, scrolling among them. We create a folder called Output which is now empty. In this folder, we will save the registered images. We double-click on our registration app. We select the Input Images folder containing our multispectral images. We select the Output Images folder to save the final registered images. We choose the JPEG format for the registered images. The first image is selected as the reference image. We can leave it as it is. The target's diameter in pixels has already these min and max values. We click on the Process Reference button. We see the target's positions of the reference image are shown in this area. When we move the cursor over the image, the X and Y coordinates are shown on the bottom left corner. We click the Process All button to start the registration process. The registered images start to be saved in the Output folder. The right window shows the target's positions for each image that the app was able to find automatically. These are the registered images, ready for calibration and uploading on the multispectral imaging software.